Hey guys, what's going on? Long time, long time. An early live stream today, giving you guys an update on what's going on in the marketplace in crypto. Welcome, welcome to all of you guys just joining us. Ethereum is about to send. It's basically about to happen. Ethereum, the breakout is imminent, and we are on a countdown. Several things happened last night, which I'm very, very happy to share with you guys what's going on. If you're just waking up, perhaps you don't know what happened last night, I will give you guys an update of what's happening, starting with the SEC and what they have done to Bitcoin. They basically destroyed the Bitcoin price, millions of dollars lost in the last 24 hours in liquidation. Well, in the last 12 hours, actually, because of the incompetence of the SEC. If I switch to the 24-hour candle, you'll be able to see $87 million worth of Bitcoin longs have been liquidated in today, basically, and $50 million worth of Ethereum shorts have been liquidated. But this is what I want us to pay more attention to. So just hold on, strike the like button, smash it, and drop a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so let me start with giving you guys an update of how are we doing in our portfolios. Last night we had a catastrophe. We were in massive profits on our Ethereum position, and when the Bitcoin news happened, I decided to close the Ethereum position and jumped onto a Bitcoin long because the news was that the Bitcoin ETF have been approved from the official SEC's Twitter account. Little did I know that it was fake news, and we ended up losing money on that position. So from 50 from $46,000, we're now back to 30,000. So we lost about $16,000 last night, thanks to the SEC. They made us lost money, just like many people, but we will make it back. Ethereum is coming back, and the ETF is more likely going to get approved today. And on our gaming and AI portfolio, we're down by 30% now. We were above 20,000. Now we're a little bit lower. So if you don't have the experience, you might feel like, hey, what's going on, man? We're losing, and you might start panicking. But actually, no, that's how a portfolio works. It doesn't only just go up. You go up and down, but the goal is over time to grow our capital. So make sure you don't panic. Just stick around and keep things going. And for those of you who are copying my trades on Bybit and OKX, we had a few wins in the last 48 hours. So congratulations on that. So let's go to Twitter, to the cesspool of Twitter, to understand exactly what's going on over there. We'll switch this off for now so that I can log in effectively. Or I might actually just share another window. Share X. Right, so this is basically what happened. I can give you guys a quick update on that one. This guy came out. His name is obviously Gary Gensler, not the guy you're looking at now. But the SEC and Gary Gensler came out and said, well, we have approved the Bitcoin ETF. I will just Google this. So Bitcoin ETF approval. What happened was that the SEC's Twitter account literally posted an official statement claiming that they approved a Bitcoin ETF, yet that's not really what happened. What happened was the opposite. And then they came back down and released another statement saying Gary Gensler came out and say, well, no, the news that we approve the Bitcoin ETF is fake. Our account has been hacked. Therefore, that was fake news. And the market immediately started tracking down and collapsing. So to show you what happened at that moment in charts, this is exactly how it went down. Okay, let's go back to so basically at that moment when Gary and his boys used their Twitter account to propagate fake news. I see somebody here says the stream is very laggy. Are you sure? On my side, everything looks good. Can you guys, is anyone else struggling to watch? Okay, so I'll give you guys a 1 hour chart analysis of what happened last night. This is the candle right here. Okay, so tweet came out from the SEC here saying that, hey, we have approved the ETF. Bitcoin goes all the way to 48,100. At the same time, it crashed back down. All the way it went to 44,739, but it ended up closing lower at 45,400. And then the liquidations here were just unimaginable. So I do think that the SEC here, laggy. Okay, guys, so if you're watching on YouTube, let me just give you a trick to fix your stream if it's not being clear enough. This is what you do. You click on the video you want to watch, like what you're watching right now. Make sure you click this HD icon here. Click it, and then on the quality, switch it and make sure you switch to HD 1080p or 1080p premium. It's up to you. It's not that the stream is laggy, but YouTube sometimes optimize wrongfully and you might be having a bad stream. Because others here are saying that the stream is okay. Anyway. So what ended up happening is that we got junked by the SEC because they're manipulating the market to give entries to the large institutional guys to get in early or at a lower price. So they basically crushed the market. I do not believe with any atom of my imagination that this was by accident and a hack. And Twitter and Elon Musk came out saying that, well, the SEC is actually lying to you guys. It wasn't their own account did not have two-factor authenticator. That's why they got SIM swapped and they got hacked. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know that the stream, some people are having issues watching it. Let me get it out on my end if I'm able to watch it properly. So I'm trying to watch on my own computer here. Yeah, so if you cannot find the 1080 quality, just switch it to 720. I'm able to watch it on my computer, and I switched it to 720 at least. So yeah, just switch it to 720. That should be fine. So that means if you go back here, click the HD button, go to quality, 720p here is okay. All right. Quality 720. That's okay as well. All right. So what's going on with Ethereum? Why do I feel like Ethereum has a chance right now to strike up? So I will have to go to TradingView to demonstrate that. This is Ethereum, by the way. On the 8th of January, 2 days ago, Nitrous Bull put up a bullish indicator here, a signal of bull Ethereum on the 4 hour. That was after the bearish indicator that happened on the flash crash a couple of days ago. But then what was shocking yesterday was that, let's just do this here. On top, it's going to be Bitcoin. At the bottom will be Ethereum. Let's go 1 hour Ethereum, 1 hour Bitcoin. There we go, guys. Okay. So last night, what happened, if you notice, in this very moment where Bitcoin was crashing down due to fake news, Ethereum started pumping immediately. And that is showing you one thing, that a lot of traders are thinking that once the Bitcoin ETF news have been played out, the next wave is going to have to be Ethereum ETF to be played out. Why? It's because the anticipation to the Bitcoin ETF is basically what has led this bull run to where it is now. And when Bitcoin is over with, the next thing is going to be Ethereum's ETF. And we haven't seen volume in Ethereum for a while, but now you can see the volume is coming back, fat big candles everywhere. It's green. Not only looking at this, but we can also go to Ethereum layer 2 solutions, are basically leading the charts in the last 24 hours. Arbitrum, Optimism, and Aave, and so on and so forth. Ethereum-based tokens are now pumping. And the reason is because Ethereum is about to gear up and pump. I'll also show you guys another interesting data point here is if you look at the ETH BTC, Ethereum against Bitcoin directly, this chart has been tilting towards Bitcoin for a while. And that is now starting to change. And this means that the bull run for Bitcoin is going to relax for a little bit for a while. Ethereum will enter the chart. Here we go. This is let me switch to a daily. As you can see, for months, Ethereum have been on the downward trajectory here, only going down for months and months and months. And only now that it has found strength to basically start to claim its position back. So on the daily time frame, the Nitrous Bull indicator, which is the best trading indicator for you out there to make money if you're trading crypto, it's telling you that it's still bearish. So it might be better to not go too hard with the leverage right now, to wait until Nitrous Bull turns bullish again. I think this candle right now has already turned orange. If it closes higher, it will become a bullish signal. So you might want to wait it out. But if you're trading on the 4 hour, it already went bullish here yesterday. And since then, we have seen green big candles in the bullish nature for Ethereum. So Ethereum is starting to win against Bitcoin. If you look at these two pairs, if you put these pairs in one chart. So be prepared. I think Ethereum might send all the way to 3,000 at this point. There is some resistance at 2,550, but I think 3,000, 3,200 is very likely for Ethereum to pump. Right now, the next serious level of rejection is at 0.0295 if you put it against the Bitcoin chart, which is 5.5% from where it's at now. And that is a 4 hour only. If you're switching out to a daily, this is when you could start to see where the potential actually is in the long run. Now, what are the other tokens that might pump together with Ethereum? It's the same layer 2 tokens. And here's my strategy. If you are holding Ethereum, right, and you want to grow your Ethereum, you want to trade Ethereum against its own tokens, the Ethereum-based tokens. So right now, if Ethereum is going to pump, the entire ecosystem will pump as well. But you want to be in the Ethereum-based tokens like Arbitrum, or the layer 2s, or the DeFi tokens like Arbitrum, Optimism, Aave, Rocket Pool, and all that stuff, because all those will outperform Ethereum itself. And then if you have, let's say, 100 Ethereum, by the end of, let's say, by the time Ethereum is at 3,500, you would double your Ethereum. Now you have 200 Ethereum tokens. So this is the play that I basically do in times like this. But I'm confident that this is now the run for Ethereum. It's just around the corner. Okay, more fish. Thank you so much for sharing. Some people, they're having a good stream. It's clear. Others are still struggling, but I will try to fix this problem for the next live stream. For now, I apologize, guys. I don't know what's going on. It seems like the SEC are coming after the crypto industry, destroying our live stream. They destroyed our profits last night to the point that our $16,000 worth of profit has been wiped out within an hour yesterday. Now we gotta start again from 30,000 almost and pump it up to the moon. So I'm still holding a Bitcoin position here until today when the ETF will be approved. And after that, I will now move back into Ethereum for a longer pump. But it's clear now that the ETF news is no longer the sell, buy the rumor, sell the news. After the approval of the ETF, the market went bananas yesterday. It pumped heavy. So since there will be more likely be approving the ETF today, I think we should expect the exact same level of result. Now, looking at other areas of the market as well, the Bitcoin ordinal space is pumping Guzinos up 46% in the last 24 hours. These are Bitcoin NFTs. And if you're in the Alpha group, I have been sharing this already multiple times. And other NFTs in the group that we have been talking about. I've been sharing every NFT that I'm buying. I've been sharing it in the Alpha group. So if you guys are in the Alpha group, you already know. If you're not in the Alpha group, link is in the description. Make sure you check it out and you become part of the elite community of traders. We share Alpha. You pay money to be in this group, but it pays to be in the group. So the money that you pay, you basically make it back. All right. And if you're looking for a trading account, obviously use Bybit. Link is in the description. Use my link. You get almost $30,000, depending on your deposit amount. You get up to $30,000 in bonuses. The current greed market sentiment, the market sentiment is greed right now. So it means that a lot of people are long Bitcoin or long crypto at the moment. Only 28% being short. However, a lot of the longs, including myself, yesterday, we got whiplashed by the evil of the SEC and their market manipulation. Matic Polygon, of course, that is a full send. It's layer 2 Ethereum. It's definitely going to send. It's just a matter of time. I am extremely bullish on Polygon. I am extremely bullish on Arbitrum. I'm also extremely bullish on Apex. I have already shared this in the Alpha group maybe just over a week ago. And since then, we have seen some movement in it. And I'm still bullish on Alex Lab and STX. STX has been the biggest mover for last week. I think it's going to cool down a bit, but we will pump again after the ETF. So Alex Lab is right here. But Welsh, if you watch my Crypto University channel, we have been talking about Welsh coin, which is a meme coin on top of the Bitcoin chain using Stacks network. You might want to get some of these tokens before it becomes a big problem. It has 10 billion tokens in supply. It's very minimal right now. Small market cap, 24-hour trading volume is like $1 million a day. But I think when Stacks upgrade to Satoshi, we will see a pump of Welsh Corgi. So make sure to check it out. You can buy this token on Alex, on chain. You can basically just swap it. How can I start copy trading? Copy your trade. You basically go to Bybit, and you go to trade. You go to tools, copy trading, and you search for me here. My username on this platform is called on Bybit. I'm called WSB.finance. This is me. This is me on Bybit. So if you want to follow me, you can just use that account and copy my trades. No problem at all. This is my profile. Go and check it out. Now, I also lose, I make money, I also lose money. So it doesn't mean that if you copy me, you're just going to be winning. Just be aware of that. Be mindful. I also have a bot that you can copy if you want to. You can literally just click copy if you want to. I have one bot, and I have the derivatives trades on there. Okay, so go ahead and follow me on Bybit if you want to copy my trades. I'm also on OKX, especially if you want to copy my portfolio for long-term investing. I have it made on OKX. And there you also go trade, copy trading. And when you get on here, just type again WSB.finance. Boom. Here you go. This is my profile on OKX as well. So when you go there, you just click copy. I have contract trades, which is what you're looking at here. And I have spot trades, which you're looking at here. This spot portfolio is really looking good. We made some good profits on it, right? So make sure you check it out. This is my breakdown of what I'm holding. GMT, Ethereum, Pyth, Stacks, Link, and other. I think I should be setting Link for, I'll change it today and switch more into the Ethereum layer 2 stuff, just so that you know. So I'll buy more Polygon on it and also maybe double up on Stacks. So copy that trade. All right. Is there anything else we haven't discussed? Multi-bit movie. Yeah, we can talk about that on the next live stream. I'll come back online later. But thank you guys for watching. This is a historical day for Bitcoin. If you're in here right now, you already hold some crypto. You got into Bitcoin before Wall Street could do it. So you have to congratulate yourself. And we're about to make life-changing money this year because of trillions of dollars that's coming into the Web3 space, into Bitcoin. So just stick around. Make sure you join Crypto University. If you're just getting started, you're like, where do I even start? Go to cryptouniversity.network. Click Get Started and register on it. If you want to join the Alpha group, you simply go to Alpha group. If you're trading and you want the signals that I use to make my trades, you can simply just click on signals here. I use the nitrous bull indicator to make money. I just follow the signals and I'm profitable. So you can use it for yourself as well. It will help you become more profitable. I see guys are asking here about different kind of tokens. What do you think about Kusama? I don't hold it at the moment, but we can have a look. Kusama. Kusama, KSM US dollar. So according to the nitrous bull, it's currently in a bearish phase. The bear call was made on the 31st of December. Nitrous bull said bear, and since then it has actually been going down. So I wouldn't rush in to buy it just yet, even though on the 4-hour here, it's starting to recover, showing some bullish signs. I would wait until it's back to a bullish signal again. Can I drop my copy trading link here? I'll try, yeah. Guys, if my screen is not clear, please remember to switch your resolution when you're watching. Click this icon on your YouTube, then go to quality and switch to 720p. That will go a long way. Tier on Matic. Okay, let's find out. Woo! Here we go. Matic Daily. So Matic has been bearish for a while. Nitro's book called it bearish on the flash crash a couple of days ago. And since then, it is still bearish. The volumes have not been piling in. But looking that Ethereum is starting to come back, you can already see that on the 4-hour, it went bullish already. And for the last 12 hours, it has done nothing but pump. So we're looking at a bullish trajectory here on Matic. Currently, just on the cusp of a breakout at 88 cents. From there, we could see a lump up until 95 cents again, until we break above $1. I think it will move exactly what Arbitrum has done. Arbitrum is now a $2 coin. Can you believe it? All right. When is the ETF supposed to be approved today? So this is going to be daytime in American time. So you have to just be awake. I don't know what time zone you're in, but it's daytime working hours of the US between 9 to 5. It's when they like. They like to do these kind of things in the morning. So just look at US DC time. That's when you should be expecting. But mostly, a lot of people are running spaces when things like that, those are happening. Can you go into Ordinals and NFT, which coins you're watching? Okay, cool. So I'll tell you this about Ordinals. Go to YouTube and type Crypto University Ordinals. Our channel should come back on top. Go to this YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the chat as well. And then subscribe to this channel, because this is where I post everything to do about Ordinals, how to stake, how to make money in Ordinals. And I will go live on this channel as well in a few hours from now. So if you want to know what's going on in the Ordinals, in BRC20 tokens, in the Stacks network, go and subscribe to this channel. I'm sharing all the alpha. But most importantly, if you're in the alpha group, I've been sharing every day new stuff that I'm buying, new tokens, new strategies on how to make more money in the Ordinals. So link to the alpha group is also in the description if you want to be part of it. All right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta go for a run now. But thank you so much for joining in. I will see you a little bit later, man. Stay awesome. Keep it pumping. Don't become weak hands. Today is going to be important. And do not allow yourself to be manipulated by the market. But don't forget to put your stop losses in, because anything still can happen. All right? Stay